You see millionaires living the life you dream about. The cars, the freedom, the money, the power, and you think to yourself,
am I not good enough?
And here's the truth no one told you about. It's not because you are lazy. It's because you are playing the wrong game. They say the key to success is hard work, but it's not, because success was always about leverage. Leverage means doing something once and letting it work for you forever. It's about using tools, people, money, or platforms to multiply your results without multiplying your effort. Let me ask you something. Are you trading time for money? If so, then you are cooked, because time is limited and the moment you stop working, your income dies. But the rich, they have built systems and assets that keep printing money whether they work or not. That's the leverage. And without it, you will never escape the system. As one of the most respected thinkers, Naval Ravikant, once said, you are not going to get rich renting out your time. You must find a way to earn without your presence. They use the 4 types of leverage. First one, capital leverage. Think of Warren Buffett. He doesn't build physical companies, he invests in them. Imagine you invest in a $10,000 company and it grows by 20% a year. And after 1 year, you have $12,000. And so the money compounds. You slept, but your money didn't. And that's how capital works. Second one, people leverage. Imagine you want to build an app. So you spend 1 year learning to code, but another person hired a developer and got the work done in 3 weeks. And guess who's rich? Person who used leverage. Steve Jobs didn't code iPhones. He just hired the smartest minds and got rich. Third one, code leverage. Say for example, person A hired 10 people for customer service, whereas person B built a chatbot and made it do the work. The person not only saved the money but also reduced the risk of poor customer service. It built it for once and it works for him forever. Fourth one, the media leverage. You made a YouTube video which went viral. While you were sleeping, it reaches 1 million people and builds trust. And after that, you can either sell your product or courses. That's the power of media leverage. Let's say you are broke right now. So here's how you can use leverage today. Build a digital product once and you can sell it forever. Make one viral video and drive sales to your product. Learn to use tools like ChatGPT and Notion and replace them with people. Create content and turn attention into income. You don't need to be rich to start. You need to be smart. You need to stop trading time for money. If you want to make a step-by-step guide video, you can tell me in comments. If you still think leverage doesn't work, then let's talk about the most powerful family. This family didn't just make money. They made systems. They leveraged capital by owning banks all across the world. People by deploying agents all across Europe. Media manipulating the market with either fake or real news. They didn't hustle 18 hours a day. They built leverage into foundation of their empire, and they are still relevant centuries later. This is what the ultra-wealthy understand. The world doesn't reward effort, it rewards leverage. If you have heard it 100 times, work hard and you will succeed. Really? Then why aren't delivery drivers billionaires? Why do cleaners and labor struggle? Why 22-year-old you to become millionaires? Because hard work doesn't always guarantee wealth, but leverage does. And that's the truth. The world is cold. It doesn't care about how many hours you work. It cares how scalable your work is. If you don't build leverage, you will die in the same trap you were born into. This isn't about motivation. You can either keep grinding in a broken system or break out, master leverage and start winning. The choice is always in your hands. Till then, remember, in this world, only the strongest, richest and the best survive.